With Modify, our brand new line of retail merchandising displays and furniture, you can grow and create new sales in vertical markets and expand your wallet share with your existing customers. Accessories are simple: shelves, hooks, bars, which make the display system easy to modify and change out for optimal product merchandising. We offer single-sided, double-sided, gondolas, and four-sided fixtures. We also have a line of complementary furniture such as risers, pedestals, and nesting tables. The accessories can be mixed and matched, enabling you to modify your display and merchandise as you see fit. Think beautiful, easy to install SEG fabric graphics. Quick to ship, 7 days or less for most of the fixtures, and simple assembly. Each kit is offered in white, black, or silver frame colors. It's nice to have options. We also have the creativity and capability to develop custom Modify solutions. Frames, furniture, and accessories are the best in quality and come with a limited lifetime warranty. The entire system is made in North America and is second to none.